Okay, round 5, 6, who knows. Hey, we got a hood. And as you can see in there, I've begun trimming the body. The cylinder head carb will actually hang out there. The exhaust will go down the side, just under the cutoff for the driver there, just like the original. Hood fits pretty slick. And we've got a cowl. That was no mean trick. And last but not least, the tail. Practicing my styrofoam sculpting skills. I don't know, maybe ready for my first surfboard. Can't surf though. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Gonna give that a layer of fiberglass and epoxy resin over the top. Old surfboard style. That's EPS foam, in case you can't tell. See, I got a ledger strip there on the tail. Started working on the mock-up in here. Those are just the mock-up pedals, but you can see what we're doing there. So there it is. Round whatever you're calling it. Closing in on the end of the wood fabrication here, I think. And excited to move on to maybe a frame here. Stay posted.